Llegaste de la nada, cuando menos lo esperaba. Al encontrar tu mirada, ya estaba perdida.
Marriage is the union of two souls and their families intertwining to create a new, vibrant tapestry of life. It's a journey filled with love, where every effort to build and nurture the relationship adds to its strength and beauty. Life's brevity urges us to seize every moment. It's a journey best enjoyed with a companion. Live passionately, love deeply, and laugh heartily.
Esto tenía que pasar, de pronto todo en su lugar. Había dejado de buscar cuando apareciste.
To my beautiful bride, I remember the day we first met when I crashed your birthday party. From that point on, to the study rooms of Ross University on St. Kitts, through the late night phone calls between Florida and Texas, all the way to Costa Rica, over the 5 years of friendship and 2 years of dating, we have come so far, baby.
I remember when we were still in clinics and Ruby would tell me how her and Brian would talk on the phone for hours as friends. Later, he would send her Valentine's Day flowers as a friend. Standing here giving a speech at the wedding says otherwise.
Pero apareciste. Esto tenía que pasar, de pronto todo en su lugar. Había dejado de buscar cuando apareciste. Na, 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 na,
It's really cute. Look at that. I love that.
Is that a fishing line?
Yeah, it's a little fishing lure. And that's my mom and dad.
na 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 na. Na 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 na.
Gotta reach for your hand, right? Okay. Oh, I like that. There you are. Hi, McDowell. I love you too, baby. I know. No, not yet. Yeah. Okay.
Al encontrar tu mirada, ya sabía.
Thank you for choosing me as your lifetime partner. I love you so much with my whole heart, with a passion that cannot be expressed in words. Only kisses, glances, and years of an adventure by your side. I love those brown eyes and bright smile that conquers my heart without a word.
You have been there through some really hard times for me, such as the passing of Daddy and then Mama, and I am so grateful to you. I will do my best to not be late, pick up my socks, not leave dishes too long in the sink, and give you a bite of my last taco.
Para mí es un privilegio y un honor presentarles por primera vez como pareja casada el señor y la señora Mr. and Mrs. Brian and Ruby Thomas. You may kiss the bride.
I'm gonna tell you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my voice, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I miss you.
We're all gathered here today because Brian saw the opportunity to go after a girl that his heart kept tugging towards and directing him to. And there was that hesitation of what if I don't think. I would say, shh. Take a breath and just ask. Why not ask her to see what happens? He took that leap, y'all.
Yeah, I really hope you love me too.
My God, you guys are amazing! Let's give it up, come on! That was beautiful!
I tell your friends, I tell your family, I'm gonna let everyone know about my love.
And your hearts be so full of so much love from those around you, your cherished family and friends, because y'all, we sat in this rain today. Y'all better know we love y'all. We sat in the rain.
I love you guys. Que vivan los novios.
I think I can speak for everyone here that I am honored to be able to witness your journey together. Congratulations.